In this video, we're going to show you how to apply thermal paste on your CPU. And I have this Hydronaut high performance thermal grease, which we will be adding into it. Basically, you have your thermal grizzly. This is the CPU paste, which we will be using. This is the most important thing. If you need, you also have this this applicator, which you can use, and then you can use it to spread along the CPU. The first thing you want to do is go into your CPU cooler and remove these screws so that you can remove the CPU top, and then you'll be able to clear it out. So the first thing we'll do, we'll grab a screwdriver, we'll unscrew it. So here you see I have a screwdriver. I'm just going to go inside and just unscrew each of the tops, and do that for all of them on my CPU cooler. And you can see the CPU paste is kind of dry. As you can see there, it's pretty dry. So I'm going to use some alcohol to remove that. And in this case, I'll be using some isopropyl alcohol. It's 99%. So I'm just going to put that on a tissue and wipe out both over here and over there. So there you can see I just took some alcohol on here, wiped it around, and it cleared it completely. So I'm going to do that exact same thing over here. And I'm going to clear that out. So I'm just going to go in there, just wipe it down. You can see the thermal paste is coming off. And if you need more, you can go ahead and add some more alcohol. So I'm going to get another tissue and do that. So here we go, clean tissue. Just going to wipe it down, just clean it on top. Just remove it, and just like that, it's clean. And you can zoom in on that. It is pretty clean, there's nothing there. So now we're good to run our thermal paste on it now. So here we have the thermal paste, the thermal grizzly, which I mentioned before. So all I'm going to do is put it on thermal paste. I'm going to squeeze it so that it makes a nice X on the CPU, and I'm going to make sure that it doesn't drip on any of the parts here. So I'm just going to go very carefully and drip it on. So let's go zoom in. And just like that, that's all you need to do. You just need to make one quick X. You put the lid back on here. And now the final thing to do is just take this and put it directly on top. Just put it on top the exact same way that you took it off of, and you should be good. So here I am, I'm just trying to line it up, just trying to get it on there as much as possible. Just like that. You can see it's ready to be screwed in now. It is on there perfectly, so I'll go ahead and screw that on. So I'll just take my screws and just put it on. And now that that's done, all you gotta do is just turn on the computer and it should work right away. There you go. Easy as that. Now you have good temps coming in, you can play your games and whatever. So yeah, if you like that video, hit that like and subscribe. It's very nice outside, so stay warm. Peace.